Hello friends, welcome to my IoT Tech channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean C drive so that our laptop or PC will work more faster. Anyone who is new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share our videos. So let's start with today's video. Let's see how to clean drive C and other temporary files so that our laptop or desktop will work more faster. First of all, go to the start menu, right click on start menu, open the run command box, click on run, then type temp and click on OK button, then click continue. Select all temporary files and press shift plus delete to permanently delete these items from the folder. So we will click on yes to delete these temporary files permanently. Click on yes. Just check this box, do this for all current items and continue. Then again tick mark this box, skip. Okay, so we have cleared all temporary files in the folder. Now close this window. Again right click on start menu, click on run. Now we will type percent temp percent. Now click on OK. Again select all the folders, press shift plus delete and click on yes to permanently delete. Yes. Continue. Just tick this box, skip, tick this box, skip. It's taking a bit time to delete the files. Okay, so most of the items have been cleared from the folder. Close this window. Again click on the start menu, right click on the start menu, click on run. Now type prefetch and click on OK. Press continue, click on continue. Then again select all files, press shift plus delete and enter and click on yes. Check this box and skip. Here also we have cleared this all files over here. Close this window. Now we will clean our C drive. Click on this PC, right click on C drive, click on properties, minimize this window. Here we will click on disk cleanup. Here we will click on clean up system files. Now select the uh, download program files. It is selected. Temporary internet files, recycle bin is also selected. Temporary files, thumbnails. Okay, so the most of the items have been selected. Now click on OK. Delete files. The disk cleanup has been started. So after cleaning the C drive, our laptop will work more faster than first. Okay, it has been done. Now click on OK. That's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you so much, friends.